So today we are going to make a boat. Okay, boat we are going to make. Okay, children. So I will show you here step by step. Okay, you just take out your drawing copy and take your copy horizontally. Okay, this is horizontally. And first, what we are going to make? First, we are going to make a wave line here. Okay, children. Ready? Okay. So let's start the class with me. Okay. So first here from left hand side we will draw a wave line. See, a wave line we are going to make here. Done. Okay, see the wave line we have made. Now here we will make a slanting line and here a slanting line. Okay, two slanting line I have made here. Okay, ready? Yes. So now we will join these two slanting line like this. Okay, done, children? Yes. So next what we will draw? Now here we will draw a standing line. Okay, here we will draw a standing line first. Yes, this is our standing line. Okay, do not use scale, children. Okay, do not use scale. And one more line we will draw here. Okay, so slowly we will make the other line here. Done. Okay, children? Yes. So now from here to here we will draw a curved line. Okay, so now from here to here we have made this curved line. Okay, and now from here we will draw one line. See, done. Okay, so here we will draw a small flag. Okay, a small flag we are going to make. Done. Okay, children, now here we will make two curved lines. Okay, two curved lines. Done. Okay, so our boat is almost ready, children. Okay, and here we can make a human figure. If you can make, children. Okay, it's not mandatory to make the man here. So now we will make here clouds. Clouds we will make here. Clouds and clouds. Now sun we will make here. Sun. Okay, and the birds we will make here. They're playing here. These birds are playing here. Okay, and then here we will make some lines. Wave line. Okay, now we will use the brown color for the boat. From one side we will do slowly. Okay, see, children, from one side slowly we will do. If you have dark brown, you can use the dark brown also. Okay, children, see. So here I am using the brown color. Slowly from one side. Okay, from one side slowly. White नहीं रहना चाहिए, children. थोड़ा सा भी white नहीं रहना है, ठीक है? So slowly from one side. Slowly, step by step. Slowly, step by step. Okay, children, so like this you will complete the brown color. Okay, so here we have used the brown color. Okay, children, slowly, step by step. Slowly, step by step. See, children, we have completed the brown color. Okay, children, and this stick also we are going to use the brown color. Okay, children, slowly. Ekdam slowly. So we have completed the brown color. Okay, see, we have completed the brown color. Here we are going to use the red color. These lines we are going to use the red color. Okay, and here also we will use red color. Here also red color. Here also red color outline. Here also. Here. Okay, now we will use the yellow color. So here now I will use the yellow color. See, from one side slowly एकदम स्लोली करना होगा चिल्ड्रन, ठीक है. Here. Here. Okay, and this one also we will use yellow color. Yellow dirty yellow sitting on a buffalo. Okay children, so we can sing in the middle of the class now children. If you can sing a song for me. So step by step, slowly. Okay, step by step, slowly. Ready children? Yes. So yellow color here. So yellow color we have done. Okay, so now we will use the red color. Okay, now we will use the red color. Here we will use the red color. Yes. So do not leave white space. एकदम slowly here. Red. Okay, and this flag also we will use the red color, this small flag. Okay, so nice small boat. Okay, यहाँ पे हम लोग पिकनिक के लिए जा सकते हैं, ठीक है children. We will go for picnic here. Okay, so now what we will do children, now we will use the blue color for the clouds. Okay, for the clouds we will use the blue color. See, for the clouds we will use the blue color. Here. Okay, and now what we will do, we will use the dark blue little bit like this. Okay, थोड़ा सा shading we will do here. Like this. Here also we will do this type of shading. थोड़ा सा डार्क, ज़्यादा डार्क नहीं, ठीक है, ऐसे थोड़ा सा डार्क. हाँ, अभी तो अच्छा लगेगा ना चिल्ड्रन. देखो एकदम रियल क्लाउड जैसा लगना चाहिए. So clouds we have done. Okay children, now what we will do, now we will make the sun. For the sun we will use red color for the outline. Okay, for the outline we will use the red color, and this line we will use the red color. Okay, now we will use yellow color for the sun. Okay, yellow and orange थोड़ा सा, ठीक है, mix we will do mixing. So here pencil line we will do dark blue. Okay, this dark blue we will do here, say like this. Dark blue. Okay, this wave line also will make dark blue. See children, एकदम slowly और line we will draw here. ठीक है, और कुछ line wave lines यहाँ पे. ठीक है children. Now we will use the light blue. Okay, this light blue we are going to use from one side slowly. See, from one side slowly we will do. Step by step, slowly from one side. White नहीं रहना चाहिए children. Do not leave white space. So here we have completed the light blue color. Okay children, now what we will do, we will make the sky color. Okay, sky color we will use very lightly. We will do very lightly the sky color. Okay children, so from here we will do एकदम lightly. We will do children, see, एकदम lightly in slanting direction. In slanting direction we are doing here. Slanting direction में करना होगा ऐसे. See like this. Okay, so ऐसे ही स्काई कलर को कंप्लीट करना होगा. ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, स्लोली स्लैंटिंग डायरेक्शन. वाइट नहीं रहना है. ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, एकदम लाइटली वी विल डू, एकदम लाइटली. ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, सो नाउ आई विल कंप्लीट द स्काई कलर, देन आई विल मीट यू. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो लेट मी कंप्लीट द स्काई कलर, देन आई विल मीट यू. ओके चिल्ड्रन. So children, see, I have completed the light blue color. Okay children, say like this from one side in one direction. Okay children, from one side you need to do in one direction, slowly step by step. Okay children, there should not be white space. Okay, like this you need to complete the coloring. Okay children, so now we will leave children. Okay, keep practicing and next class में क्या चाहिए तुमको comment box में मुझको लिख के देना. ठीक है children, and bye bye children, bye bye.